In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a whiteboard-style animation for your elements. We'll start by choosing exactly what you want to animate. Click the element on your canvas, whether that's a piece of text, an image, an icon, or even a simple drawing. Selecting it first ensures the animation you apply will be tied to the right item, so you won't have to redo anything later. With your element selected, head to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel where all the motion options live. If you don't see it right away, make sure the element is still selected. The animate controls are context-aware and appear when something on the canvas is active. Now, we're going for a whiteboard-style look, so under Element Animations, pick an effect that mimics hand-drawn motion. Draw is the most authentic for that classic whiteboard reveal because it traces your element as if it's being written or sketched in real time. Wipe can also work nicely for a clean line reveal, especially for simple shapes or bold text. Depending on your version, you might also see options like scrapbook, marker, or sketch. These add a handmade feel and can be great if you want a slightly more playful or textured look. If you're aiming for the most accurate whiteboard vibe, stick with Draw first, then experiment from there. Once Draw is selected, customize the style so it matches your design. Choose your tool look: pen, marker, brush, or pencil, depending on what's available in your update. A pen or pencil gives a fine, precise stroke, while a marker or brush feels thicker and more casual. Next, choose the direction of the reveal. Left to right is the most natural for English text, but right to left can help match certain layouts. An outline works beautifully for icons or shapes by tracing their edges. As you change these settings, you'll notice how the motion shapes the personality of your graphic. Finally, set the animation speed. Slower speeds emphasize the drawing effect and are great for moments where you want viewers to read or observe. Faster speeds keep the pace snappy when you're layering multiple elements. A good rule of thumb is to slow down for headlines and diagrams and speed up for small accents. That's all you need to create a convincing whiteboard-style animation. Select your element, open Animate, choose a suitable effect like Draw, and fine-tune the tool, direction, and speed until it feels just right.